tomorrow. Look at this, guys. This was just this is gonna be another 6 that we just got a emergency alert stream tornado warning into this area to 4. Oh, so that's not too long, guys. It's like in a couple of we have 10 minutes. So never mind. This will just be another video. This one will go with my gaming. I'm gonna be gaming. I'm gonna be gaming, guys, right now. So okay, guys, we're gonna be gaming right now. So we're gonna go to the evolving. We're gonna be evolving again today now, guys. That means 2 evolvings. So guys, we're just going on. Of course, the best way to start an intro. Not really. But yeah, guys, if you don't know me, my YouTube name is Dark Shadow. Don't you guys remember in the first one that he said, "Hi, Patty"? If you guys didn't get it, because didn't you see how I just looked to the side? Yeah, guys, go check that. I at least try to post today. I just did a lot of posting, definitely. Oh my goodness, guys. You guys can look at I did also. Oh snap, oh snap, oh snap, oh snap. Oh, bingos. Because we have to literally start all up. A new has begun. Now we're in the water. Now we're in. Wait, how high can we go, guys? That's my question. How high can we go? Stop this. Turn off the light. Okay, guys, we have a lot. Oh my goodness, guys.
Felt it in my bones.
Guys, we're literally about to lose power.
In my bones!
Guys, we're about to lose power.
In my bones!
I don't want to write it. No,
anyways, guys, stay juicy.
Stop it, Ryan.
What should I request for? Lights?
Request whatever you want.
Do you have your flashlight?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Here's one of Mommy's bush, you guys.
Fire TV.
Here now. Oh wait, I think I know where my.
Use it wisely.
Okay.
One person at a time should use it
No, I have a black one.
Guys, this does went crazy.
Destiny, this is black.
Oh, green.
Black. Hey, Josh, are you doing a YouTube video?
No.
No, I want you.
Okay, guys, I'm just.
You're...
Oh yeah, I am doing.
Alright, guys, make sure to go subscribe to MC Ninja 080. Much appreciated, dudes. Stay juicy.
Stop it, Ryan. I'm serious.
Seriously. Okay, no, I'm joking. I'm